Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the home screen. Let's enter this option, and as you can see, the second section is connected with system navigation, so let's tap on it. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got the buttons option applied. Obviously we've got three different buttons which are responsible for different actions, or we can set the gestures. And before we will do it, under it, if you will decide that you want to stick with the buttons option, here you will be able to customize it. So for example, you can mirror the buttons, you can mirror back and menu buttons, you can set the button shortcuts, and you can disable navigation buttons automatically. It's up to you if you want to customize it or not. And if you'd like to change the system navigation to the gestures, just tap on this option. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to learn the gestures. So after tapping on learn, that it will show you the tutorial of how to do it. I will not go through it because I will show you how the gestures work. Of course, if you want to, you can go through it and learn. So under picking the gestures, you can see that we've got two different options also. So we've got hide full screen indicator, and just by tapping on it, we can simply hide this line, and I will keep it hidden. We've got also the gesture confirmations, which means that in some cases, for example, when you want to go back from the game, you will have to double your gesture in order to confirm that you really want to go back. Under it, you've got some gesture demos, so you can learn some more options, let's say. And here you've got the animation of how to use the gestures, but obviously I will do it for you. So if you want to get back to the previous menu, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of the screen, and it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or right. Here we've got the same situation, so we've got this arrow, and after releasing the finger, we can simply go back to the previous page. And if you'd like to go back to the home page directly, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, all across the screen. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page. If you'd like to enter the recents, you have to again swipe your finger from the bottom of your device, but hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, you can see the recents. So actually, this is it. This is how to set the gesture navigation type in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.